Probably gonna be the worst reaction video I've ever done. Alright, so sad. Yay! Now we get to watch a show. In 3, 2, 1, hold on. Okay, needs to ask why it is. Now it. I'm ready. Just need to calm down. It's me! Why am I saying hey? I don't know. No, I don't want to see my head come off. No, I don't want to see my head come off. I said I don't want to see my head come off. Oh. Oh wait, there's somebody running around. I think he just got jump scared. Oswald now. Alright, don't push myself. I don't know. Wait, I was abandoned. Wait, what? Wait, what? Doesn't this sound like a night guard thing? I don't know. Why did she leave us? Oh, that's what she said. Don't worry, Yankee. Yay. She's not happy. Shut up. I don't know where they are. Stop asking me big boy questions. I don't know. I think he's talking about me. Oh, she's right next to me. Okay, fellows. Wait, that's goofy. Hear me? I can't hear me. Like, I can't hear me. What? Hold up, this is new news. What? I was abandoned. Okay. Oh, that's... That's my doing. Okay. The face? Who's the face? Gosh, now which can do for girlfriend. And they are. But it's me. Yeah, I got off a good pair of eyes. Cool. I'm not trespassing, this isn't even treasure island, me. Shut up, me. Alright, I don't have legs. I forgot about that. What? Finish me? But I'm not finished. So did they purposely not to finish me? Yeah, for that I'm stealing the rise. Yeah, it's marking like a significant. Oh god, the title! I don't know. Shut up. I can't really be saved. I mean, just give me a good pair of feet and then I'm saved. That's me. I mean, COVID, we're kind of not forgetting because we go around signing people's autographs and, well, I mean, you really. Nobody really cares about the rest of us. Wait, oh, it's my turn. Alright, let's. I only have office sounds. What's that? Wait, no, there's no. I don't like this. Why is there only office sounds? Ew. Alright, Kevin. I don't like... Why do I only have sound cues? But no, there's no way that's it. No. 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 That was it. Oh yeah, that was our class. I'm gonna take my head off. Why do I pick one of everyone? I don't have teeth. Can I borrow your teeth? No. Oh, it's mothers. Do I regularly have a static sound? Oh, I have a jump scare sound. Where's he? I ain't been anything. Multiplier. What? Why do you have the suicide mouse music? I don't know. I don't like this. Give me something else. I can't. I'm not the creative here. Who is it? Jimbo Fabulous Freddy says. Yeah, I don't think it says 4. I think it's the other game's 4. You probably don't. Just be patient, and then God might bless you. For the Berlin actors are horrifying. Do I have fully white in that image of you? There is no image, but yeah. Oh yeah, I like the episode of me. I've forgotten man. Oh. Oh wait, that was it. Oh boy, it's my turn again. I have a lot less threatening voice now. That's good. I like to be less threatening, even though I have the next close guys to take it. Alright, event. Office appearance. Office retreat. And oh, that was it. That's not very negative, but let's see. Oh, that's me! Alright. Wow. No, we need to win it. Oh. Why am I terrified? Yeah, there's a lot of us being really scary. Oh, it's me! boy, oh boy, barking my gun.
Hi there.
What?
My name is Sparky. Don't be scared of me. I just simply mom. Please don't. Hi. Boo. Did I get you? Oh wait. I don't think I'm supposed to do that yet. There's no doors for you to close.
Wow, it's not right. Look at you, I'm a square one. Alright guys, my turn again. When you press me, I don't wanna die. Yeah, where is God? Oh, I just realized what I mean by she. The god in this pack is the girl. Yeah, please do that. I'm really bored. I don't like this. Yeah, hear me. Yup, I do hear it. I do love must. Yeah. I don't listen. I don't love her, it's just almost coming out of me. Okay, here's jump scares. How those voices so loud? I don't know, that wasn't funny anymore. Wait, that's just 5 minutes of phase 1, what the hell? Oh, classic. I don't shut up. Oh. Oh, that was it. Oh. Oh, no. I've learned things about me that I did not really want to learn. I think we learned something about all of us. Other than me, I just got sound cues. I think Donald have had a non-existent heart attack. I'm gonna use my phone to be the powers. Okay, here it comes, and oh. Get back here. Hold on, and yep. He's dead. Hi-yuck. Oh, I sat down when I fell. Monkey, oh my god, that's amazing. He had a heart attack because of it.